Hello scholars, happy Thursday. I am here today to do some volume review. You are going to have a quiz tomorrow or Friday, depending on when you're watching this video. And I just want to go over some of the questions that we have done so far at this volume unit. So when we started volume, we started with rectangular prisms that look like this. Okay, there are no measurements on this, so we call those unit cubes. And we talked about how we can count these still using the formula for volume. So I'm going to do the length, the height, and the width, because volume equals length times width times height. So let's do the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the length. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the width. 1, 2. So to figure out this volume, I do 4 times 2, which is 8, times 5 gets me 40. There's no inches or feet or meters, so we call those 40 cubic units. Okay. We also had problems that looked like this. Again, there's no inches or centimeters or meters, so my answer is going to be in units. And I see the length, the width, the height all here, so I'm going to do 7 times 6 times 4. 7 times 6, that's a tough fact for some of you guys, that is 42. Then I do 42 times 4. It's okay if you can't do this in your head. I'll come over here, do my work. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. So 42 times 8 is 168 cubic units. So you can find the volume of a rectangular prism if it has cubes in the picture, or if it just gives you numbers. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more. This one's very similar to the other picture. It says a shipping box in the shape of a rectangular prism has the dimensions shown. What is the volume in cubic feet of the box? This time we know our answer is going to be in cubic feet. We know we can find the volume using the formula because it's a rectangular prism. So I'm going to do 3 feet times 2 feet times 3 feet. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Remember, you can see your answer with feet cubed as the 3 is the exponent, or cubic feet. Either way, we know that we're talking about volume. We're also going to look at this, which we spent Tuesday and Wednesday going over. It says Jaden made the composite figures shown below. What is the total volume of the shape? So if you don't remember the 3 steps, we need to cut it so that it's 2 rectangular prisms. So I'm going to cut it right here. We need to find the volume of each. So let's call this one A. We'll call this one B. Once we find the volume of A and B, we're going to add the volume of each, and that will get us the total. So for A, I see my length is 3 feet times my height is 2 feet times my width is 6 feet. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So the volume for A is 36 cubic feet. Now I'm going to come over to B. I see that this is 4, this is 2, okay? I'm not sure what the height is yet, so I'm going to look at all of my other rectangles to see if I can use my knowledge of geometry to help me. So if this is 2 feet, I know that this is 2 feet. Then I see this teeny rectangle here with an opposite side, so if this is 2 feet, I know that this is 2 feet as well. And that can help me figure out this height because opposite sides are equal. So I know my height is 2 feet. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So the volume of box of prism B is 16 cubic feet. Okay, then we're going to add them together. 36 plus 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3, 4, 5, 52 cubic feet. So those are the 3 types of questions you're going to see on the quiz. You'll see irregular prisms here. You'll see shapes where you can count the cubes. And you'll see prisms where they give you the dimension. So I wanted to make sure we reviewed those quickly. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to contact me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday. Bye.